In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page breaks in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Creating a well-structured Google form can make all the difference in how your audience interacts with it. One important feature you can use is the page break. It allows you to split your form into separate sections, which can help keep it organized and user-friendly. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google form. If you're not sure how to get there, simply head to forms.google.com and either create a new form or select one you've already started working on. For demonstration purposes, I'll use one of my existing forms. Now, let's say you want to add a page break after a section dedicated to contact information. If you glance at the interface of your Google form, you'll see the current questions laid out for users. Once you've identified the section where you want the break, in this case, after the contact information, click on that section to highlight it. Once you've done that, look at the toolbar on the right side of the screen. You should see a variety of different icons, representing different types of questions and form functionalities. Among these icons, find the one that looks like two horizontal lines with a little break in between. This is the Add Section button, and it's how you'll add that page break. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Add Section, you'll notice that Google Forms automatically creates a new section for you. This effectively acts like a page break. Your users will now see a different page or section once they finish the contact information portion. This is particularly handy if you have a longer form and want to make it feel less overwhelming. Now let's say you also want to add another page break toward the end of your form. It's just as easy. Navigate to the last question or section of your form. Again, click on it to highlight that part. Go back to that same Add Section icon on the right. Click it once more. And just like that, you've added another section to the bottom of your form. Each time your user reaches a section break, they will be prompted to click Next to proceed, which is a great way to manage the flow of information they're providing without feeling inundated by too many questions all at once. So that's it. You've successfully added page breaks in Google Forms. These section breaks not only enhance the visual aspect of your form, but can also improve user experience by providing a clearer structure for them to follow. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged and make the form-filling experience as smooth as possible. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. I'm excited to share more valuable content with you in